Okay, developers, welcome back. I don't know about you, but I am overwhelmed with the amount of options available for us to use when deploying our dApps. Typically, connecting your new dApp to the blockchain requires you to set up a node yourself, but this can be complicated and requires a lot of power and memory. Luckily for us, there are many awesome services that we can use to help us get connected. In this video, we are going to do an overview of the most popular services around and understand how they compare against each other. If you're new here, I'm Calvin, and on Eat the Blocks, we help Web2 developers transition into Web3. First up, we have Infura. They provide a suite of APIs and developer tools that give us access to the Ethereum and IPFS networks. Infura was created by the team over at Consensus, who are also the team behind the MetaMask wallet and the Truffle framework. With over 350,000 developers currently using the service and transferring 1.6 petabytes a month, Infura is one of the most popular node providers for Ethereum. They mainly provide two services. First, we have their Ethereum API, and that provides access to hosted Ethereum nodes across 4 networks: Mainnet, Ropsten, Rinkeby, and Kovan. These can easily be scaled to meet customer demands, and they're kept up to date and secure. Their APIs connect via JSON RPC over HTTPS, and they broadcast out transactions to the Ethereum network. Then we have their IPFS API, a decentralized protocol for storing and accessing files. Using this API, any dApp can store their files and data on IPFS. Infura also has beta support for Ethereum 2.0 and the Filecoin network. With their free tier, you get 100,000 requests a day for up to 3 of your projects. Now let's look at QuickNode, a hosted blockchain infrastructure platform that allows us to build, test, and scale blockchain applications. Founded in 2017, they are boasting lightning speed access to 11 blockchain networks, including Ethereum, XDAI, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and many more. They offer elastic APIs, dedicated nodes, and powerful analytic tools through their simple control panel. Behind every QuickNode API endpoint is a network of nodes. This allows them to provide scalability on demand in over 10 regions around the world. QuickNode also provides instant access to archive nodes, node analytics, node customization, and Ethereum webhooks. They also have an NFT tool that gives us access to real-time NFT data on demand. We can verify ownership, transaction history, and collection information. This saves us from having to pass individual smart contracts and sorting through tons of data. We can use this tool to fetch and filter NFTs using a few lines of code. They're currently trusted by some of the biggest names in tech, including Twitter, PayPal, Coinbase, and OpenSea. Their lowest tier starts at $9 a month with 300,000 responses included and 10 free archive calls a month. Another popular node provider founded in 2017 is Alchemy, backed by leading investors like A16Z, Coinbase, and Samsung Next. Alchemy provides access to Ethereum, Flow, Arbitrum, Optimism, and the Polygon network. So far, Alchemy has processed over 30 billion in transactions for 10 million end users and is used by some of the biggest Web3 companies, including OpenSea, Aave, and CryptoKitties. Alchemy also provides one of the fastest, low-latency Ethereum node services called Supernode, which boasts infinite scalability, reliability, and data correctness. We also get access to Alchemy Monitor, which is their all-in-one dashboard for blockchain developers. It's a full command center to instantly check on the high-level health of all of our apps, including usage analytics and user insights. They have real-time notifications using Alchemy Notify. It tells users about mined transactions, dropped transactions, and gives them access to gas price change alerts. Alchemy Build lets us instantly search through millions of historical requests to find specific bugs, performance optimizations, or patterns of errors. Lastly, we have Alchemy Web3. This is a drop-in replacement for Web3.js. It expands the features and also provides multiple advantages to make use of the Alchemy API. Alchemy's free tier offers 3 million compute units a month across 5 projects, along with free access to Supernode, Build, Monitor, and their enhanced APIs, along with full archive data. Now let's look at Moralis, a middleware API that provides useful backend tools for blockchain dApps, very similar to services like Firebase in Web 2. Moralis was created by the popular crypto YouTuber Ivan on Tech, and the platform supports Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, and Polygon. It provides useful endpoints on top of RPC protocols that are easy to integrate using the Moralis JavaScript SDK. If a new blockchain is added to Moralis' list, the SDK will automatically support it without any modification required to the application code. With just a few lines of code, Moralis lets you authenticate users using MetaMask, or even the traditional path of using email. Once logged in, Moralis SDK will fetch user assets, and then the backend will index it for all of the supported chains. The data is automatically kept up to date, and users can attach several accounts to their profile. Moralis also lets you define additional endpoints which serve as cloud functions, and there are also a ton of additional features like file storage, IPFS gateway, email for sending notifications, and the ability to query blockchain data like token information or transaction history. They also have a powerful NFT API for getting cross-chain NFT metadata, transaction history, and prices. Finally, they have an off-chain database that you can use to store data in the cloud and then query it using their front-end SDK. Moralis also supports plugins that add additional functionalities such as KYC or swapping assets on a decentralized exchange. Their free plan gives you 10 million requests a month across 3 servers, unlimited users, and unlimited plugins. And last but not least, we have Tatum, an open source blockchain development platform that supports over 40 blockchains. Tatum actually started out as a crypto bank in 2018, but later evolved into a developer platform providing blockchain infrastructure as a service. They're used by over 10,000 developers and do more than $100 million of daily transactions. Tatum considers itself blockchain agnostic, so developers can integrate the Tatum SDK in their backend, and then Tatum will handle all of the multi-chain support using a single API. Support for new blockchains in the future are automatically taken care of by Tatum. We can use Tatum to build crypto wallets, exchanges, NFT marketplaces, NFT in-game assets, decentralized identity products, and more. Their SDK streamlines our development process and allows us to deploy apps on any supported blockchain with just a few lines of code. And they have a WordPress plugin that allows you to create, mint, and sell NFTs directly from WooCommerce, effectively allowing you to sell NFTs in minutes. They've partnered with NFT.storage, so you can store your images, videos, audio files, or whatever other metadata you'd like to include in your NFT at no cost whatsoever. Tatum is opening up blockchain development to a whole new set of developers. Their free plan supports unlimited API calls with a rate limit of 5 requests per second, access to all mainnets and testnets, and their unified API. That's our overview of the various blockchain platforms. Let us know in the comments below which platform you'll be using for your next project, and let me know which ones I left out for next time. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the future.